Hey, in this playlist, we're going to learn how to create from scratch this fully functional dashboard in Power BI, and we are going to use data from SQL Server. So actually what we're going to do, we're going to download and install in our computer SQL Server Management Studio, and we are going to use SQL scripts to retrieve data from the database. Of course, we're going to learn how to install a database in our computer, and we are going to import data directly from the database to create this amazing dashboards, this sales and personnel dashboard. And this is going to be over 8 or 9 short lessons, and we're going to do it the entire thing, also the background, all the visual part, we're going to do it in Figma. So in this playlist, you're going to learn how to install SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio, how to install a database in your computer, how to retrieve data from the database into Power Query, how to create your visual background in Figma, and how to put it all together in Power Query and clean up the data and pass it on to Power BI to create this amazing dashboard. So there's a whole set of knowledge and skills that you are going to learn in this playlist. So if you want to actually improve your Power Query and Power BI and SQL skills, so stay tuned and come with us. So we are going to start in the next lesson. See you there.